I received this bird bath bird feeder as a gift, and I want to show you how easy it was to put it together and show you how nice it looks in my yard. This is what it looks like, and it's really pretty. It's got the bowl here at the top. There's this kind of copper color, and then these cool leaves that can hold bird seed. So I'm just going to deconstruct it here for just a moment so that you can see the pieces. So the bowl comes out, and then also these leaves come out. So you'll see you've got those two pieces right here that this goes in, and we pull that out. Now we've got some pieces here. It screws on here, it screws here, and it screws here. And then this I really like because it's got the 5 prongs instead of just like 2 or 3, so it gives a little bit more stability. So very easy, you just screw all the pieces together. So let's see what this looks like in my backyard. Okay, I have not filled it yet, but I just wanted you to see how it looks there staked into the bottom and how pretty this is. So now let's fill this up. Okay, so now we've got some bird seed here in these little side leaf spots and water up top. You could put just seed up there if you wanted to, but just look how beautiful that looks in my area here. This is really special. I love this. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.